Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today's topic is challenge. So I will explain in this video what is challenge and how we will face the challenge and what are the things for which we will do so that we can overcome from the challenge or from the difficult situation. So for that you have to stay here, you have to stay connect with me and you have to watch this video. So challenge means it is the difficult task. It is the difficult situation which we face in a day-to-day life. We have to overcome this challenge. We have to face this challenge. We cannot run because where we will run, the challenge also will run with us. The challenges also go with us. So we have to keep the challenge with us and we have to overcome the challenge or overcome the problems with a strong determination, with a strong skill. So challenges await us from the moment we are born. So we have to find out the solution. What is the problem and what is the solution? What will be the solution? We have to find out the problem. So problem means there is a key or there is a solution. So without any key there is no lock. There is lock means there must be a key. So we have to find out that key. So when we will find out that key, then it will overcome our problem. So as a learner, so many learners or co-learners are there. They are facing so many problems. They cannot connect with other people, so they can communicate with them, just like me. Because I face so many problems because I cannot connect with other people. I don't have so much time so that I can connect with other people to enhance my skill. So for that I am making this type of video, this solo video, to enhance my skill and to engage myself. Before creating any video, I have to read, I have to watch so many videos, and I wrote all the content which I have to explain. So this will engage me, or I will engage myself for doing these practices. So you can also do these practices to enhance your skill. Next, no one can say that they don't have any problem. They are so happy. But we cannot say that they are so happy. Maybe there are so many problems which they don't want to say to anyone else. So if you have problems, means I say here, all the co-learner and so many people are there. They are facing so many problems. They don't want to share their problems with another. They hesitate to express themselves. So for them I will say here, you have to overcome this situation. You have to come out from this situation. You have to find out that person whom you can share your feelings, you can share your thoughts, so that she or he will show you the right path, what you have to do. When we don't have any solution, when we stuck any point, so for that time we have to find out one friend, any one relative, anyone in our life, so that we can share our things, our feelings, everything, and whom you can trust also. The people or the human being or the your friend should be trustable person. The person should be trustable, whom you can trust. This is all about challenge we face in our day-to-day life. The employee working in a office also, they face so many challenges. They have deadlines, they have to complete their projects in a proper time, in a fixed time. They have challenge, they face so many problems with their colleagues. But as a homemaker, we also, all the homemaker also face so many problems. They don't get so much time to improve their skill, to work on themselves or to work on ourselves. So this video is all about the people, all about the person who face so many problems, so many uh, critical situation. So you have to overcome that situation. So it will make you more stronger, and it will make you fit to challenge or to fix another problem. So this is a small video which I want to explain here. And I want to share one thing also. During my childhood, I had so many problems. I faced so many problems due to my skin color, due to my tone, due to my accent. These are the things I had faced, but it had not kept any impact on my life. I know, I know what I am. I know the skin color does not matter, the accent does not matter. Okay, I have to improve. Yes, I have to improve, but it does not matter in my life. I know I have a positive soul. I know I am a kind person. So for that, I have to see all the positive point which are in me. So it will makes me perfect. It will make me perfect. So this is all about the challenge. So for the learner, co-learner, and all people, I will say here, you you have to you have to believe on God. You have to believe on the supreme power, so that the problem will automatically moves in your life, automatically go away from your life. So this is all about the challenge. So if you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel, because it boosts me to make another video. Thank you so much for watching.